How to get 7-day free trial Snapchat Plus. Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to get 7-day free trial Snapchat Plus. To get started, you need to open up your Snapchat application on your mobile device and make sure to update it to the latest version available. After that, you need to tap on your profile icon located in the upper left corner of your screen. After that, you need to tap on the gear icon in the upper right corner to access the settings. From there, you should select Snapchat Plus to proceed. Once you have done that, you need to tap on subscribe, where you will find a detailed list of all the benefits that come with a Snapchat Plus subscription. Moving on to the next step, you will see a screen displaying the subscription details. Here you will notice that the first week is free, but after that you will be charged for the subscription. To continue, you need to tap on Start Free Trial, and once the trial period ends, the subscription fee will be applied automatically. And that's it. Thanks, and I will catch you all in the next video.